Maganda kasi itong mga banat ni Ma'am Malu. Pakinggan lang natin ang bahagya.
Question on the recent Senate Flix drama. Is this still about the law or is it about power? Good morning, Ms. Malu.
Joining us, yes, is the political analyst and
Good morning,
strategist
Relly.
Professor Malu Tikit.
Good morning, Relly. Good morning, Trixie. And good morning to your listeners and viewers.
The minority walked as if we didn't notice. The minority walked out of the session hall last Tuesday. What do you think?
I don't relish seeing a group of legislators walking out.
Really?
The tradition has always been, there was a time the minority was just JPE and Erap Estrada, and they, fought it out,
Yes,
stayed on the floor and debated. Walking out is not healthy for a democracy. Walking out on a procedural question is really, sabi ko nga, parang mga bata, no? Na hindi nyo nagustuhan the way the debate was going on, you just decided, and on cue, they just decided, you saw
Yes,
Senator
yeah.
Subiri telling everyone, let's move. And this is not good because the debate was essentially a motion by Marcoleta on whether the use of online tools can be used. But there was not yet a debate.
Yes.
It was just it was just breaking the house so that they can vote whether there should be a debate on the motion.
Correct.
So I really didn't understand what happened.
I think, Prof, that is exactly the point, no, why they walked out. Kasi nga, ang sinasabi nila, parang wala nang debate, na dapat may debate, and they wanted to divide the House right away. No? Parang in a way, minamadali kasi nila yung proceeding. And that's the reason why I think they got frustrated, and in their defense, they're saying that they're trying to uphold the integrity of the Senate.
No, that's not upholding the integrity. That's putting down the institution by itself by walking out, At saka yung procedural doon, they were debating on the procedure of whether they should vote.
Or it should go back to committee.
Yan.
Kasi ang ginagawa nila before,
Nililinaw natin to Yung sinasabi ni Cayetano is just voting kung tatalakayin ba natin yung motion o yung sinasabi o yung gustong mangyari ni Marcoleta. Hindi natin pinagbobotohan yung gusto ni Marcoleta. Ang sinasabi lang, are we going to discuss it and debate on it? Napaka-importante kasi maunawaan natin yun eh. Once again, we're not saying tama, dapat gawin, ito ang motion na dapat sundin. Kaya nga sinasabi ni Cayetano, bago tayo magdesisyon doon sa motion na yon, kung yes or no, let's vote, kasi kailangan yan eh. Let's vote if we are going to discuss and debate on it. Ganun lang kasimple. Pero siyempre, ano nangyari? Takot. Kasi nga naman, isa lang ang abogado sa kanila, bobo pa.
was to file resolutions. In the
Yes,
case of Trillanes and De Lima, they filed resolutions and then they put it on the floor. Ito, ang ginawa ni Senator Marcoleta was to amend the rules.
Yes.
Kasi if you will not amend the rules, every time there is an issue, you will have to go pass a resolution.
Yes.
Mas kon pa yun, mas partisan. Kasi kung titingnan mo sino ang nag-file ng kay Trillanes, sino ang nag-file kay De Lima, mga kakampi. Ang akin lang, talagang rule naman yung pag hindi kayo nag-agree,
Pagdebatihan
you break the house
Yes.
by voting. And that's the only way deliberative body can make decisions. If there is no agreement, if there is no unanimity, then we break the house and vote accordingly. Mabait pa nga eh. Kasi naandun pa si Senator Soto representing the minority
Yan.
and the 13.
Yes.
So technically, if the majority wanted to railroad, as the minority is claiming, they could have voted.
Yes.
Yan.
Diba?
Tandali pwede yan. Kasi sinasabi ng iba, hindi daw dahil walang quorum. Pwede, nandun pa si Soto eh. Pwede yan. Pero hindi nila ginawa. Kasi nga alam mo, ito si Cayetano, mabait po ito eh. Mabait po ito eh. Kaya, sige, okay. I-ano na natin sa ibang araw.
Pero ang sinabi ni Senate President Cayetano, we will move the discussion of this on Monday. Monday ba?
Yes, Monday at 5
Monday
p.m.
at 5 p.m. So, kitang-kita mo na walang railroading, and there were 3 adjectives that were used that were really foul. Yung kay Senator Pangilinan, kay Senator Lacson, at saka kay Senator Soto.
May
Wala,
Yun nga eh, pagka sa kanila nanggagaling yung balasubas na na salita, okay lang. Oh. Pero pagka kay Amy, galit na galit sila. Gustong manakit.
Oo ba?
may tulpo pa. Pero yun off the field kasi hindi naman.
We were talking about the remote participation yet.
Yeah, oo.
So medyo out of place siya.
Basic lang. Papayag ba tayo mag-amend ng rules na ang pag-uusapan tungkol dun sa remote participation? Yes or no? And then pag nanalo si yes, edi i-lay down yung motion na paano ang paraan.
Correct.
Yan, pag-uusapan, considered ba siyang present, considered ba siyang absent kasi wala dito. Paano? Kasi material yon, especially sa impeachment. Hindi material dahil si Senator Bato. Linagyan na lang nila ng linya. That's why, medyo, if you're looking at how do you restore confidence in the Senate, that is not the way to do it.
Yun yun.
Pero
Yun. Nako po, ang lupit talaga mga kababayan ng ito alam mo simpleng-simple na lang ho itong nalaga nangyayari na to eh. Nagkakasundo-sundo itong mga pinklawan, mga pulahan at itong mga teroristang NPA na mga party list. Nagkakasundo sila. Basta tayo, common denominator natin, tanggalin si VP Sara Duterte. Yung lahat ibendalo na natin. Lahat. I-shoot natin doon sa common denominator natin. VP Sara should not win on 2028 or malilintikan tayong lahat. Mabubuking lahat tayo. Di ba? Ganun eh. Dahil nga po, sa tindi rin ng pera meron sila. Kita naman ho natin kung magkano yung ninakaw, billion-billion every day. Di ba? Nung last na budget, billion-billion everyday ang nawawala. Ano nangyari? Kitang-kita nyo, ang lakas nila. Totoo naman eh, malakas sila. Kontrolado nila lahat, branches of the government. Department of the government. Lahat kontrolado nila. And even the fourth state. Media. May natitira na lang sa social media. Pero marami pa rin sa social media ang niyayari, di ba? Daming binabayaran ngayon, ang daming kinakasuhan. Basta ang iisa yung kanilang tema eh. If you're against, we will make sure na mahihirapan ka sa buhay mo. Pero if you are for us, sagana ang buhay mo. There is no such thing as middle ground. Ganun katinding hirap ng laban natin ngayon, mga kababayan. Kaya, alam mo, ako, ito lang. Continue to pray for us. Continue to pray for our country. I believe no matter what power they have, justice will come in God's time. Maybe not now, maybe tomorrow, maybe someday in the future. We do not know. Pero syempre, Panginoon na lang ang hawak natin dito. Atin, yung katotohanan lang naman, mga kababayan. Doon tayo sa katotohanan. Kitang-kita na natin eh. Bulag ka na lang talaga pag hindi mo makita. Buti pa nga yung mga bulag, nakakakita sila eh. Hindi, ito may nag-comment kasi dati sa akin eh, isang bulag na followers natin. Sabi niya, wag naman natin gamitin yun. Kasi kahit kami mga bulag, nakikita naman namin. May nagsabi sa akin. Sabi ko, oo nga, tama siya dun. Buti pa yung bulag, nakikita nila yung tama. Nakikita nila yung katarungan. Pero yung mga merong mata, nagbubulag-bulagan. Which is, yun naman talagang mas mahirap gisingin na nagtutulog-tulugan kaysa sa tulog. Tama, mali. At mas mahirap din makakita ang taong nagbubulag-bulagan. Because of one basic, o sabi na natin, common denominator nitong mga to. We hate the Duterte. We hate. Ganun ang galit nila. Ay, nako. Anyway, maraming salamat po. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod nating video. Sana po ay i-like, share, and subscribe ninyo po itong ating video. God bless everyone. Mabuhay ang bansang Pilipinas.
Kami ang boses ng masa, hindi natatakot. Katotohanan lang, di kami nalulunod. Walang bahid ng sismis, lahat ay totoo. Kahit sino ka pa, pag mali ka babanatan ka. Walang pinipili kulay, wala kaming kinikilingan. Basta para sa bayan, kami lalaban. Pag tama palakpakan, pag mali banatan. Di matitinag, di matatakot, para sa bayan tuloy ang sigaw. Sa harap ng kamera, walang halong takot. Mga baluktot, lahat kayo'y tutumba. Ang hustisya at totoo, yun lang ang mahalaga. Kahit sinong harang, di kami matitinag. Walang pinipiling kulay, wala kaming kinikilingan. Basta para sa bayan, kami lalaban. Pag tama palakpakan, pag mali banatan. Di matitinag, di matatakot, para sa bayan tuloy ang sigaw. Kung nasa tama ka, ikaw ay aming kasama. Pero pag mali ka, handa ka na bang mabasag? Banateros kami, walang inuunan. Dahil bayan muna, bago ang sarili. Bago ang sarili. Pag tama palakpakan, pag mali banatan. Banateros ang sigaw, katotohanan ang laban. Sa harap ng kamera, walang halong